Hello everyone, I'm James and you're watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today let's try to solve the problem of this boAt's rocker neckband Bluetooth earphones. According to customer, the problem with this is the left side of this band is not working. There is no sound from the left side of the earphone. It is because, as you see, the wire is cut here. So we will try to remove this, disassemble it and fix the wire. For that, what we'll do is, here you can see the joint. We'll try to open the joint. Be careful if you are using any sharp object for disassembling it. It may happen that the sharp object will pierce the gap and will damage the battery, causing fire. So be careful with that, not to damage. Okay. This can be repaired, but the thing is, the wire will run short. If I use cut here and fix the wire here, it will take very long. So what I need to do is, I will join the wire here itself. I'll solder the wire, cut it here and solder it here itself. Here you see, in these two wires, one should be little lengthy, one should be short. Same way in the earphones, one is lengthy and one is short. I'm doing this because if the wire is cut at the same place, both the wires, and are being soldered, then there will be a short circuit. But if the soldering is done at different places, that is at different lengths, then there won't be any short circuit. What I have to do is, I have to see this, cut this, and remove the cable insulation from inside. This will do the trick. I take it, peel it a bit more so that we'll be able to fix a knot. but the length will become shorter. Hope it will be okay. It is not too short that it will reach your ear. It's okay, it can reach your ear. Just put this heatsink tube inside. Okay. Okay. Now we will solder it. Cut this at the shorter length and in the middle of this casing, and we'll solder them. Now take this, in this first, this one is the lengthy, more length, just dip it in, paste. Now press them along with this. So now what I'll do is I'll hit this, shrink this too. So that it will hold on the cable and there won't be any. As this wire is pulling a bit, we'll pull it inside. Okay. Now, okay, keep this aside. Okay, as you can see, now we have fixed the wire. Only difference is the length of this wire has reduced by a few inch, an inch or two, not much, maybe an inch. You can see here, yes, it has reduced by maybe more than an inch, but audio is hearable. You can hear and enjoy your music while on the go. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the left side no ear or right side no sound of your boAt's rocker, neckband, Bluetooth earphones. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.